Alright folks, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So had to come down to a very open space. I'm going to unbox and set up my new chair. So let's take a look. Alright, so here is the chairs. I finally got up to my office. This is my new chair, and this is the old chair. So there's a big difference in between these. This one has much better lumbar support, and the neck support at the top, while it's not like that, this one can be adjusted a lot easier because I can just take that off if I want to. But this is pretty much a gaming chair. And this is, I don't know if this is officially a gaming chair, but it definitely obviously looks like one. So this is definitely really comfortable. But remember, I've had this one for a long time. So nonetheless, I wanted to show you the new chair. I'm out of breath. I had to bring this thing up a flight of stairs. But nonetheless, man, I'll give you an update on this chair later. This is the KillaBEE. That's the KillaBEE right there. That's clean, ain't it? Anyway, it's your man Jay, man. New chair, ready to get it in. I'll see you in the next one.